मातरम,
वंदे मातरम,
वंदे मातरम,
वंदे मातरम,
जय हिंद,
जय हिंद,
जय भारत.
जय भारत.
Actually, we started early. We don't mind. 5 more minutes. We started early. That is all really. Now listen, everywhere, everyone is making some noise, some sound. I can listen from miles to miles. जबरदस्त. Namaste everyone, how are you? I know everybody is getting ready to thank so many people who are making our lives very comfortable, particularly the health department, the paramedics, the doctors, the nurses, the civic workers, and the drivers and ambulance people and everyone who is trying to start a war against Corona 19. Particularly grateful to the central government, to all the state governments, and who are walking on one rope, forgetting about caste, creed, languages, politics, to fight against our one and only enemy now, Corona 19. Thanks for heeding to our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji's request. Around 5 o'clock, we all have to express our gratitude to all these people who are helping the common man, the common people to be healthy actually, and to all those who have cooperated to be inside their homes for one day on self-quarantine from today morning from 9 o'clock till 9 o'clock. And don't think the war is over. Don't think the fight is over. We have to keep ourselves hygiene, and every doctor and everybody had been sharing a lot of things in the social media, what to do and what not to do. Let us heed to that. And don't ever think that because I am young, I don't get this age. It's only for people who are above 55 or 60 or 70. Not necessarily. Now everybody knows the science because for the past 2 weeks the entire world is sharing about how this corona propagates itself and how everybody is affected because of this and what everyone is supposed to do. So let us take care of ourselves. It is not taking care of ourselves alone. Taking care of oneself is taking care of the next person, taking care of the next other person, taking care of the society, taking care of the state, the nation, and taking care of the entire world. We don't know how long it takes to get the vaccine. We are not very sure of that one. So the best we can do is to contain this prevailing Corona-19. So we have already taken oath to abide by certain regulations, certain rules, certain principles, and certain disciplines. And I'm very happy almost everyone is doing the same thing. And thanks for accepting my invitation and coming to listen to me, to look at me, and to listen to me. And everybody is doing their own way of expressing themselves in 4:45. Expressing themselves to cooperate in this mission, and I'm extremely happy that now the entire world has come to only one ideal: fight corona and contain this disease and help the humanity to live long. What else can we ask? There are a lot of people who are sacrificing a lot of things actually. Think of the daily wages people. And everybody thinks that because we are not going to office and we are losing our wages, government has assured that their wages will not be cut. And the people on particularly pharmacies, which are all working very hard around the clock to get the medication, whatever is necessary for all of us. And the sacrifice will not go futile. It will not go futile. And when we reach the goal of containing this disease, you all will feel very, very happy, as if you have done something, you have attained something, you have reached the goal. That is what the main aim is now. Here, my family is here. That's my son Charan, and my wife is sitting next to me. Namaskar. Namaste. Namaskar. And all my pets are here. Watch. They know something good is happening. That's why they're all here. रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम सबको सन्मति दे भगवान रघुपति राघव राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम शुभ्र ज्योत्स्ना पुलकित यामिनी फुल्ल कुसुमित द्रुमदल शोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिणी सुजलां सुफलां मातरं सुखदां वरदां मातरं सुख वरदायिनी हमारी माता मातृभूमि है. We want the bhumi to be again Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayamini Pulla Kusumita Druma Dala Shobhini Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini Vande Mataram. How proud we are to be Indians. How proud we are to be under one umbrella today. And let it be always, always, always. Let us all work hard together for ourselves, for the common man, for the people. Till 5 more minutes or so. Let us start. We can as well start the sound now. Thank you all. Vande Mataram.